Hello all, welcome back to Tech Talks. So today we are here to discuss about a very famous build tool, Maven. Now, before using any tool or technology, it is our prerequisite job that we have to know what this tool or technology is about. So today, as part of our first topic, we are going to see what is Maven. So Maven is an automation and management tool developed by Apache Software Foundation. We must have always heard about what Apache Software Foundation does. Or, there are like n number of softwares that are being given to the society by this foundation. The famous Tomcat is also being deployed by the Apache Software Foundation. So now the Maven project is hosted by the Apache Software Foundation, but earlier it was part of the Jakarta project. Maven can also build any number of projects into desired output, such as jar, var, metadata, anything. You can build your project into an end user consumable package in any form, such as an executable jar, a runnable jar, a war file, a metadata type, anything like that. And this Maven gives you the ability to turn your project into your desired output. Maven was initially released on 13th of July 2004. Now, we have gone through the background of Maven. But what is Maven? Now, when we talk about Maven, we should always remember that Maven is a build tool, basically used for Java projects. Maven can also be used to, build and manage other projects like that are being developed in C Sharp, Ruby, Scala, or, many other languages. But basically, you hear more about Maven when a project is being built using the Java language. So likewise, we have many build tools that must be supporting different languages. But for Java, Maven is one very frequently or very regularly used build tool. What do we want to remember when we have the name Maven struck our mind? It's always about the project management. Guys, Maven is nothing to do about the development or the code that a developer writes. It's all about the project management. Maven is a powerful project management tool that is based on project object model. We will discuss more about this once we traverse through our topics for this Maven tutorial. But for now, understand that Maven is a powerful project management tool. It is used for building the projects, doing the dependency management, and the documentation. Now, we are talking about Maven. But also we are saying that Maven is a powerful project management tool. What happens if we do not have Maven? Now, there are these things that we have to keep in mind that when we are doing project management manually, that is without Maven or without any build tool, we will have to add all the required jars for the project manually. Let's take an example of a JDBC connection. We have the connection interface, we have prepared statements, we have statement, we have result set. We all write code. We do connection con equal to null, prepared statement PS equal to null, result set equal to statement dot execute query. We do all this. But connection, when you say connection, the JDK is giving you a locally declared variable, a type called connection. So the internal implementation of connection is already done by the JDK. So JDK is giving you a particular function, a particular functionality or a particular what do we call a particular attribute for you to use, right? So when you are using these kind of things, and your Java class file should know that connection, prepare statement, result set, statement, all these kind of things exist in JDK. And how does your class file know? In this case, in the example, the connection, prepared statement, result set, we have to add the JDBC ODBC jar to our project, which lets our Java code know that these keywords come from these particular jars. So now that we have this requirement, we go in and add this JDBC ODBC jar manually to our project. Now the second thing is having the right project structure. We all know, right? We will have this structure like source main Java, source main resources, and then source main test Java. So this is like there have to be a set of proper project structure when you are doing the project management without a build tool. Otherwise, you will have a lot of problems while you want to, convert your project code into an endpoint desirable consumer package. Now, the third thing is whenever you add, like for suppose initially you have created your project with some 10 jars, but later with new requirements coming in, you understood that, you need to have few more jars added to your project. You have to go to the respective free source open source sites, download them, download the right, make sure that you download the right version without any deprecations, then get them, place it in your lib folder. Then again, when you are trying to build, add it to your build path, configure build path, add it to your source, link those folders again to your project, then run. So all these manual things are supposed to be done when you do your project management without the build tool, which is Maven here. Then the last thing is to deploy the project. When you're doing so much of stuff, like adding jar files, adding these jar files to your build path while you want to build your project. And then let's say that, the jar that you have downloaded is not the same version that matches with the one that the code that you have written and all this stuff. You'll have a lot of problem while deploying the project. And all this comes into picture when you're trying to deploy your project. So these are few chaos or few disadvantages when you do your project management without any build tool. But yeah, earlier when we didn't have these automated build tools, we always took this pain. Being a developer, you already developed the code, and then you also have to look at these struggles. But now that these build tools have come into existence, things have made easy and the life has become more easier for developers. Okay, guys, we understood what Maven is and what a project management looks like without Maven. So we will go ahead with a lot of content in our next topics. Until then, thank you. Please share, like, and then subscribe. I'm here to share more knowledge that I have and also to learn along with you all. Thank you very much.